Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and here is a beginner guide for you that how you can use Amazon Flex app to earn money. So first you have to reserve a block. Once you have downloaded the app and set up your account, you can look for delivery driving opportunities that fit your schedule. Open the Amazon Flex app to search for available delivery blocks in your area. With every offer, you will see your expected earnings and how long your block is likely to take you to complete. You can also mark yourself as available in the app to qualify for instant offers. Next, make your deliveries. On the day of your delivery block, head to your designated Amazon location to pick up the packages you will deliver and deliver. Then using the Amazon Flex app, navigate to each destination, deliver the package that corresponds with that address, and deliver smiles wherever you go. Get paid when and how you want. Once your deliveries are complete, there's nothing else for you to do but get paid. With Amazon Flex, you can choose to get paid shortly after your delivery or on just one preferred weekday or anything in between. It's up to you based on what works best for your life, and you can change your selections anytime. Amazon Flex Pay via direct deposit, and you can track your payments in the earnings section with the Amazon Flex app. Maximize your earnings with Amazon Flex Rewards. With Amazon Flex Rewards, you earn points by making deliveries. As you earn more points, you will level up and gain access to new rewards. You will have access to exclusive discounts on a wide range of categories like gas, roadside assistance, and car maintenance, in addition to cash back on everyday purchases through our Amazon Flex debit card. Visit the Amazon Flex reward page to see all the great rewards you can access. So here is the reward page where you can find some rewards that you can access and you can enjoy with the Amazon Flex debit card. So I hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.